মোৰ দায়িত্ব my tree my responsibility once again I am repeating মোৰ বৃক্ষ মোৰ দায়িত্ব my tree my responsibility আৰু আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখনক সেউজ সুন্দৰ কৰি অনাদি অনন্ত কাললৈ জীয়াই ৰাখোঁ থেংক ইউ
Each one of us should do something creative, something useful for the society. Okay, where we live. If it goes like this, I don't know that coming generations will not live longer. And now itself, the other day, 40 degrees Celsius, that 40 degrees Celsius is going up. After 10 years, it may touch 50. You can imagine how.